Hey, what's up YouTube? 4Y Tech Guy here with my first official product review on this channel. Today we'll be talking about the Supershieldz 11-inch iPad Pro screen protector. Now, the 11-inch Apple iPad Pro was released on November 2018, and I recently picked one up for myself to serve as both a media consumption and productivity device. The first thing I always do when I buy a new phone or tablet is make sure it is physically protected. For my 11-inch iPad Pro, I knew I wanted some type of screen protector and also some type of case to cover the backside. I started using tempered glass screen protectors not too long ago on all my tech products, so naturally I planned on buying a tempered glass screen protector for my iPad as well. However, during my research I discovered that there were some issues with using the new Apple Pencil 2, Face ID, and touch functionality on an 11-inch iPad Pro that had a tempered glass screen protector on it. I found two large discussion threads on the Mac Rumors forums as well as the Apple support forums where people talked about trying all different brands of tempered glass screen protectors for the 11-inch iPad Pro and encountering the issues mentioned earlier. For some people it got to the point that they had to remove their tempered glass screen protectors entirely in order to use their iPads without any problems. After discovering this issue with the tempered glass screen protectors, some users mentioned that they switched over to a standard screen protector and all was well. Now there are many different companies out there that sell these types of screen protectors, so I looked on Amazon for the one that offered the most bang for the buck and had the type of finish I wanted, which was glossy. After thorough research, I came upon a brand called Supershieldz that offered 3 screen protectors for well under $10, available in both glossy and matte finishes. Who the heck is Supershieldz, you might be wondering? Well, according to their website, they're a company that is based in Philadelphia, and they offer a lifetime warranty on all of their products. I ran some of their Amazon listings through FakeSpot, which I recommend everyone do when they're buying something off Amazon, and was surprised to see that many of their products had A ratings. 3 screen protectors for under $10? Sure, why not? Add to cart and checkout. The product is enclosed in a color-coded thick paper packaging, which means it is bendable and twistable, but not an issue with this type of product. However, when compared to the packaging for something like a tempered glass screen protector, which is a rigid project and comes in a more solid box, the packaging material is definitely inferior. One thing I really like about this product is the very informative back cover packaging, which talks about the type of material it's made out of, what's included in the box, and installation instructions, which is broken down to 6 simple steps. Inside you'll find the screen protectors enclosed in their own individual plastic sleeves, and Supershieldz recommends that all buyers of the products watch the installation videos available on their website, which is what I did before installing this product. Unfortunately, their installation videos do not include a video specifically for the 11-inch iPad Pro. However, the installation process seems to be the same no matter what screen size you are working with. So, how does the screen protector perform once installed? On the original glass screen, swiping against it is amazingly smooth. I literally could not feel any resistance between my fingertips and the glass screen, which is a real joy in terms of user experience. After installing the screen protector, the touch performance is still very smooth, and I did not see any delays in touch performance. How does the screen protector react with a smart folio keyboard? No issues there either. The sleep-wake functions still work as intended. As mentioned earlier, I've started using tempered glass screen protectors on all of my tech products and planned on using it with my new 11-inch iPad Pro as well. However, all the research I looked into said that the current tempered glass screen protectors available out there for the 11-inch iPad Pro do not fully support the Apple Pencil 2. Because of this, I went with the standard screen protector. And in terms of Apple Pencil 2 support, this screen protector fully supports all of its capabilities, and I have not noticed any slowdowns in performance. How about Face ID? Well, this screen protector has a cutout that leaves the Face ID cameras uncovered, so in both vertical and horizontal modes, Face ID works perfectly with the screen protector on. Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering whether this product is worth buying or not. The Supershieldz 11-inch iPad Pro screen protector is definitely one of the cheapest ones available on Amazon and does a terrific job of protecting the screen during normal day-to-day use while still retaining full touch and Apple Pencil 2 functionality. As mentioned earlier in the video, I've moved to using tempered glass screen protectors on all of my devices. However, as of January 2019, I've yet to find one that doesn't impede on the touch and Apple II functionality for this particular device. Until that day arrives, the Supershieldz screen protector offers great peace of mind that my device is well protected, while also being inexpensive enough to replace in case of installation errors, or dispose of entirely if when the time comes to upgrade to a tempered glass screen protector. Alright guys, so that wraps up my review of the Supershieldz 11-inch iPad Pro screen protector. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, as I'll be attempting to upload new videos on a weekly basis, and I'll see you guys next time.